Hi everyone, today we're going to have a quick look at the to-do features that Tom and I have just put into StayOnHire. If we jump into the app, a quick reminder that if you're on Windows, you can press Control plus to zoom in, and Mac, it's Command plus or minus. So again, depending on how you want to scale this, let's go about there. Now, the to-do features that we've built in, you'll notice on the right-hand side here, we have this job tasks section. For most people, it's probably going to start off as blank, but once you start using it, it'll start filling out. So a job task can be anything that you or someone else in your company might want to get done. If we add a task, it might be as simple as move the job forward, right? We can have a look at the description. We can add additional info if required, give it a priority between 1 to 10, and set a due date. So for example, if we want this task done by Thursday, let's go ahead and save that. And we can also assign who is responsible for doing this. So in this example, I'm just going to say I'm a person responsible. Now that's pretty much as simple as a task that can be done. It's just a simple to-do function that allows us to add multiple tasks and then track them across the app. Now you will notice once tasks are done and assigned to me, they'll appear in the My Tasks section. And equally, you'll notice a job now has a little red notification that there are 3 tasks to be done. And equally in the main calendar, you'll notice a little red notification over here as well. So that's kind of telling us there are 3 things that need to be done. Now, completing a task is as simple as marking it as complete and adding additional context or information if you want to add it. That will just appear there for you and your team to see. On top of that, Tom and I have recently deployed a quick bug fix that I know a few people have had, and that is to do with reordering assets in your fleet. So for example, if we want to reorder, everything now does save and does update. I know that's been a long-standing issue, and my apologies if anyone's faced that problem. So now when we go back to our assets, we'll notice the order of our assets stay matched up with our fleet. And that goes for the table view as well. So now if we display all of our excavators at the top, you'll notice they all sit at the top in all of your views. So that's just a quick little bug fix. In case I don't speak to you before Christmas, I hope you and everyone in your team has a great break, and I will see you all in the new year.